Hello, my maths ninjas. Welcome back. And we will be continuing chapter number 1 of grade 7. I hope you have watched the previous videos. If not, then please do check it out that as well. So, in today's video, we are going to write the numbers, right? We are going to write the number names. So, as we are working with the larger numbers only, we will continue that. Right. So this is on page number 4 of your textbook that wherein we are going to write the numbers, number name we have to write down. So if you will see here, the first part it's having, so it's 3,00600. And how I'm going to write in the form of a number name, how we're going to write its name. So we know this is the ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, right? Then comes the thousands. So thousands are empty here. And then is the lakh one. So lakh, we just have a single digit. So how the name would be? It's going to be 3 lakh. Then, since the thousands column is 0, so we will not mention anything. It's simply going to be 3 lakh, and then we are having 600. So the name of the first number is going to be 3 lakh 600. Let's see the second part. The number is 504085. So we can start from the last one here. So it's 085. So we will read it together. Okay. Then it's 04 and then it's 5. This number would be 5 lakh, and then it's a single digit. So it's going to be 4,000. We have 4,000. And then again it's thousands number, but it is 085. So it is just going to be read as like 85. So this name is 5 lakh 4,085, right? Next, again here the thousands place is 00. Then we have 30 and then 27. Now we have two digit number at the lakhs place also. So it's not a single digit, it's a two digit number. So read it as a number. This will be read as 27. So how we are going to read it? Like 27. And after this, how many zeros are there? How many places are there? Five places. So it's a 27 lakh. Then it's again next group is 30. It's not 03, it's 30. So this is going to be 30. So it's 30,000. So it's 30,000. And since we don't have any digit, it's not 00 only. So the name of this number will remain 27 lakh 30,000. Getting it? Next. Next we have a number here. So the lakhs place, it's again 70. So this is going to be 70 lakh, 70 lakhs. And again, it's in the pair. So it's 53. Again, it's a two digit number. It's a group of two. So we will read it like 53, 53,000. And then we have 138. Now 138 is one group. So that is 138. That is 38. So the name of this number is 70 lakh 53,138. 138. So this is how we have to read out. You can check your answers, what you have written for yourself. Moving ahead, now we are already given with the number name and we have to write the number. We have to get the number that what it is. So if I see here, it is 1 lakh. So for this, I would suggest you students that since we have got the lakh only, so what in the beginning only we can do is we have here, just for your convenience, you can mark it like this. If it is in the beginning stage, you can work like this, and maybe once you will get the perfectionism, you can just do it mentally. Now see here, it's 1 lakh. And how do we write 1 in, if I want to write it as a pair? So it is going to be 0 1. Again, this is just for your understanding. If you're feeling difficulty here, so we can write 0 1, or simply I can write, put a 1 here, but I should know in which place I have to put that one. Then I'm going to have 23,000. So 23 itself is a two digit number. So 23 will come as it is, a pair 2, 3. And then I'm having 456. 456, the number will come as like 4, and then 5, and then 6. So this is what your number is going to be: 1 comma 2 3 comma 4 5 6. So this is basically a number 1,23,456. Easy peasy. Yes, good. Now let's see the next number. Again, see, we are working with the lakhs only. If you will see, these numbers are workable for the lakhs only. So again, if then you can focus, now later on you can focus whether it's a one digit number or a two digit number. If it is a one digit number, you can simply put one space here, one space, and then two of thousands, and then we have three spaces. So it is 4 lakh, so the number will come 4. Then 7,000. 7,000. Now how we will write 7,000? We have to work with the pair. So 7,000 will not be 70, it is going to be 0 and 7. Then 704. So 704, how do you write 704 number? It is going to be 704. So this number is 4,07,704. Now, this is what I was telling you. Now, it is a 50. It's a 50 is a two digit number. So, at the lakhs place, I will put here two spaces. So two spaces, then again two gaps, then three space here. So 50 lakh means it's 5050. So 50 has come. Then 5,000. Now this is 5,000. So 5, you have to focus on 5. So how do we write 5? It's 0 5, and the last is 50. But there are three spaces here. How do we write 50? 50 will come just like this, but then we cannot leave the space just like that, so I will put a 0 here. So this is the number 50 lakh 5,050. Last one, 10 lakh. Again, it's a two digit number. So what I will do here, I will put a comma like this, then two spaces, then I can put like this. Okay, so here we have 10 lakh. So 10 will come as like 1, 0, 10, 200. Now 200 again, 235. Now this is little different. Can you see that? It is directly has come 235. Did you observe that there is no number written with the thousand? So there is nothing for the thousand. So what we will do? We will put a 0 here because there is no number for thousand. Then 235. How do we write 235? It is 2, 3, and 5. Right? So this is how we write the numbers. If at all the numbers are given, how we can write in the words, and if it is in the word given in the word, how we have to write with the in the numbers. Right? So this is it in today's video. If you have any query, do write in the comment section and we are going to work on it. And keep learning, keep on understanding new concepts here, and Samjho Maths and Jeeto Confidence. Keep learning.